Maybe the wind is calling from somewhere I can't see, whispering through the silence like it's speaking just to me. It hums a quiet warning of clouds that gather slow, a shadow on the horizon where the restless breezes go. And as the wind keeps moving, the sky begins to change. Heavy clouds come rolling like sorrow wrapped in gray. They break without a question, pouring out their rain, falling into the broken ground like tears that heal the pain. Oh, the wind, it carries more than I know. Through the dark, where the cold rivers flow. Every storm, every tear, every pain is a door where new life begins again. Oh, the wind, it's not the end, it's the start of spring again. The rain sinks deep and quiet into the waiting earth. Hidden in the darkness is the promise of new birth. And when the sun comes rising with gentle golden light, little green beginnings start reaching from the night. I didn't see it coming, I didn't understand, but life was waking slowly beneath the broken land. Oh, the wind, it carries more than I know. Through the dark, where the cold rivers flow. Every storm, every tear, every pain is a door where new life begins again. Oh, the wind, now I see, it was leading me to spring. Maybe the wind is a messenger calling